Hi everyone, I'm Jessica Arenas, and today we have Bill Green from Green Law Firm. Bill, thank you for being here.
Well, thank you for having me.
It's always a good time when you're here. But we're going to be talking about something pretty serious. It's a common injury that happens during car accidents, whiplash. Can you tell me about the research you've done about whiplash?
Yeah, we reached out to about 100 chiropractors, physical therapists, yoga instructors, spine doctors to kind of get their input and see what we could find out, you know, what people's opinions and what they knew and didn't know about whiplash. And we found there were really two major misconceptions in the public anyway, from what the doctors were telling us, and that is that people tend to think that this injury will just go away on its own. That's not a big deal, and that's really wrong. And the other thing that people tend to misunderstand is that they think it takes a major accident where you see cars destroyed and whatnot for people to get whiplash, and that's not true either. Whiplash can occur even in a very small, low-impact collision is what they call them. I mean, we're talking a car sitting still hit by another car going just 5 miles an hour can cause injury.
Wow, very interesting. Now, how many people would you say get whiplash, and how can people tell if they have it?
Well, the best estimates we have is approximately 2 million people, adults and children combined, get a whiplash injury every year. And the common things that you hear are going to be shoulder, neck pain, headaches, and sometimes pain down the arm and such. So those are, if you get involved in an accident and you get those injuries, those symptoms, you really need to see a healthcare
I was just about to ask now, what should people do if they think they have a whiplash claim?
Well, they need to see a healthcare provider. And there are a lot of different types of doctors that treat it, and they have different techniques for treating it. But the most important thing is that they get the treatment they need so that they can get well. If they don't get the treatment, it can have lifelong consequences. And it's really hard to imagine, but it's true. From even a minor accident, you can have consequences for years and years, especially if it's not treated properly.
Well, thank you, Bill, for sharing all that information about whiplash. If you think Bill Green can help you or have any other questions about whiplash, check out your screen right now for more information.